Howdy, shop tips here from Gary at Antley, Texas Knife and Forge. It's just a hobby, it's got to get out of hand, but that's okay. What I want to talk to you about is a leather clicker. What I've done here is I've taken a piece of 3/8 metal, put a little wooden block on it that fits in the arbor press here at the front. And I've put a cutting board type surface on this. This is Corian countertop. It'd be better if I had a nylon. That's okay. It works. On the top, we've made a little socket that bolts onto the center geared spline shaft, and to smash this down. It's 3/8 also, very rigid. What is a clicker die? Cookie cutter. It's just for leather. This is steel rule knife. You buy that and make your dies. I've used 1/2-inch plywood here and excursion pins to go around the outside of it to nail it in place. And as you can imagine, this is just like cutting cookies. Here's another one for a small folder for small pocket knives. Why do you want to do this? I make a lot of knives with the same shape, railroad spike, and I make a folded knife case for them. I want to be able to do this and save some time, because time's money. So what we do is we have a piece of leather here. And I figured out which way to make a right-handed one and a left-handed one. This is the way I happen to make this, so the good side's up. We stick that in our press, or press down, mash down. You feel it cut through. Move it over, cut through some more, turn it around. It's a little tougher than cookie dough, but hey, this was once part of a cow. I used to think it was a cow. Cut that out. Cut that out. Now that was all a lot faster than laying this thing out and cutting it out by hand. I've got a couple of places here I'd like to stick it back in again, one being right here at the end. And we're through it. Is there another one? Maybe right here in the handle area right there. Stick that back in there. Felt it cut through there. We'll move it down just a bit one more time in front of it. Okay. Now, when most people are making these dies, they make a big hole here so you can stick your finger in and push through. I didn't think of that. So what I did, the way I built my die, there's two pieces of leather here that holds on to dear life, and you actually have to take a knife and cut them loose, so it helps pull them out. So there you go. We'll take my Fiskar safety scissors that I swiped from one of the kids and done a little work on out here in the knife shop. And nip that loose. Maybe, maybe not. Anyway, we'll take care of that in a second. But you end up with a cut out piece of leather, and now we're ready to put a welt in it. Fold that over for the belt loop, fold together, sew it up on a sewing machine. So that's how you save some time. You make very uniform knife cases. Clicker press, clicker die. Get some work done. Thank you.